Surah an-Nahl is a chapter of the Quran that's named after the honeybees which are mentioned in the middle of the surah.
وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ أَنِ اتَّخِذِي مِنَ الْجِبَالِ بُيُوتًا وَمِنَ الشَّجَرِ وَمِمَّا يَعْرِشُونَ ثُمَّ كُلِي مِن كُلِّ الثَّمَرَاتِ فَاسْلُكِي سُبُلَ رَبِّكِ ذُلُلًا يَخْرُجُ مِن بُطُونِهَا شَرَابٌ مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوَانُهُ فِيهِ شِفَاءٌ لِّلنَّاسِ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةً لِّقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ.
Although it's named after the honeybees, Surah an-Nahl covers much broader topics than just that. It touches on our acknowledgement of Allah's blessings on us.
وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَغَفُورٌ رَّحِيمٌ.
We are reminded of all the blessings Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has bestowed upon us, from the cattle that warm, feed and clothe us, the rain that replenishes us and the crops that grow, and the animals that would transport our goods, so that we may be thankful to Him. Allah gives more to the grateful. It also touches on the oneness of Allah.
وَقَالَ اللَّهُ لَا تَتَّخِذُوا إِلَٰهَيْنِ اثْنَيْنِ إِنَّمَا هُوَ إِلَٰهٌ وَاحِدٌ فَإِيَّايَ فَارْهَبُونِ.
We are warned of the consequences of associating partners with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is perfect alone. He is higher than anything and anyone else in the universe. He is Malikul Mulk, the master of the kingdom, the owner of the dominion. He only needs to say be and it is. It also touches on seeing Allah's signs in nature.
وَاللَّهُ أَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَحْيَا بِهِ الْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ مَوْتِهَا إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةً لِّقَوْمٍ يَسْمَعُونَ.
We are told to actively look for and reflect on all the beautiful and stunning aspects of nature so that we may remember Allah, His power and His competence to do absolutely anything. We cannot doubt the existence of Allah when we behold His marvelous creations. It also addresses remembering our duties to guide others to the faith.
فَإِن تَوَلَّوْا فَإِنَّمَا عَلَيْكَ الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
These messages in the surah are directed to the prophets of the time, so they do not give up in their mission to spread the word of Islam. However, even in these modern times, long after the last Prophet ﷺ had performed his duties on earth and returned to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we must continue the Prophet's legacies and spread the word of Islam in the face of any oppression. And this surah also teaches us to understand our boundaries.
إنما حرم عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير وما أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن الله غفور رحيم.
Along with the blessings Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, we are reminded in this surah that there are but a few things He has forbidden us from consuming. This is not in vain, for Allah does nothing in vain. Rather, it's to ensure us good health and Allah's blessings.